Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to join a private server in Roblox. This is very great if you want to play with just your friends or select a group of people, so let's just get started. For that, you can head over to roblox.com first of all. And what you need to understand is, once you are logged in, that private servers require invite a direct link from server owner. Make sure the game supports private servers, since not all the Roblox games have this feature. So for that, once you are logged in, what you can do is first of all head over to your settings, open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, from your left hand side, go over to this option called privacy and content restrictions. After you select it up, you can go over and select this option for visibility and private service. After that, go to private service and open it up, and you can select limit who can join. So if you want to join other people's private server, for example everyone, you can select everyone. Or if you want only your friends, like your connections private servers to be joined, you can select connections and set it up. Once you do so, all you gotta do is, once you are headed back to the main page, if you want to join servers, you can head over the game where the server is located. So for example, this is the server I would like to open. From here, you just need to scroll down once you open up the game and scroll down until you reach over to the section called private service. From here, select this option of service tab and open it up. And here you can look out for your own server. If you want to create your private server, select it. Or if you want to join other people's server, you just need to find out this options called join. So select this option called join, and Roblox will start getting ready. You can open up the Roblox application directly and you will be logged in into the game, and you can start playing the game in the private server. And that's it. Now you've successfully joined a private server in Roblox. You can enjoy playing with your friends in your own private world. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.